Hey guys! Hey. Today we are doing... Wait. Oh, I started. Anyways, welcome back. Today we're doing a goal, and today we're doing the one element. Let's go. Right. Team request plant element neutral. Vigil. Well, let's see the goal. That's very funny indeed. Oh crap, we don't have enough space. What the? Okay, let's battle. Bobby and Neely are wearing face masks and they're like wearing diapers on their faces. So let's do one more battle before we're done with the video. Oh my god. Boom! Headshot in one. Oh crap. A level 11 Bogard. Well, actually, it's 2 health away from me. 2 health. Well, this guy has like 50-30, and this one, mine has like 50-52. So it's like more better. Oh crap. Dang it. Okay, come on. Christmas Day. I love that beat. Oh, so busted now. Not for all, because one elements are not at all, because like one elements are so gay. They only got like 2 attacks. 2 freaking attacks. Well, this circle one has 3 attacks, which is so good. Boom. Tier 9. Hopefully you enjoy. Click on that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.